Hello everybody. Today I'm gonna do a quick little video on a new EDC bag I made, everyday carry bag. I got this little bag on, got a nice little carabiner clip on here that goes right in the webbing. It's kind of cool. It's got a removable patch if you want, and the straps. Let's see what's inside. Alright, first off, got all sorts of stuff in there. Bic lighter. Flashlight. I got a 18650 rechargeable lithium-ion battery in here. It also comes with a thing where you can use a little attachment where you can put 3 AAA batteries. I got a pair of these for like $12. Super bright. Like, I can't believe how bright this thing is. It's ridiculous. So yeah, GearLight. Pen. Toilet paper tablets. If you don't know what these are, look them up. Awesome. You add a little water and they unfold. You don't even really need water, it just helps. You don't need a lot of water, just a few drops. They're great. They're super strong, durable. Paper towel, napkin, toilet paper, whatever you need. I got a couple Altoid type tins first aid kit that I made. The first one has bandages, alcohol prep pads, multiple size bandages, gauze pads, suture strips. Oops, dropping stuff. So that's in that one. And then I have this one, and I have cloth for, you know, cleaning your glasses or whatever. Some super glue. Some earplugs, pill container with some medicine in it, aspirin, ibuprofen, medical tape, folding scissors, and I got some safety pins in there. Let's see here, what else do we got in here? We got a ferrocerium rod. I got 2 kinds of fire tinder. I got some ProCamp Pro sticks, and this came free with them, which was awesome. They're little ProCamp tinder. You just break them apart and pull them apart, and they come out like little cotton, and you light it on fire. Then I got a Write in the Rain notepad, and then I got some more fire tinder here. This is that ProcampTek fire tinder. It's waterproof. I mean, it just lights super easy. Recommend it. It's a good product. Here's my Gerber multi-tool. It's got a hammer. Bang, bang. And then it flips up and it's a bottle opener, and you can use it as a pry tool. It's got a locking knife blade. Scissors. An awl, can opener thing. That's super sharp. And then this is the reason I got it. It's got a bit driver on it. It takes standard size bits. That's the next thing I need to get for my little kit is, well, I have it. I just got to get a mini, I have a mini bit holder, and I got to put a couple more assorted bits into it and then put it in there. I just haven't gotten to the toolbox and done that yet, so. But that's my little video for now. Hope you enjoyed it. I guess that's it. Y'all have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.